It is a sunny Saturday morning. Lucy wakes up early. She feels excited today. She is going to the park. Lucy loves the park. There are many things to do there. Lucy gets dressed quickly. She eats her breakfast. It is a bowl of cereal. After eating, she brushes her teeth. Then she puts on her shoes. Lucy grabs her backpack. In her backpack, she has a book. She also has a bottle of water and a sandwich. Lucy is ready for a fun day. She walks to the park. The park is not far. It is only 10 minutes from her house. When Lucy arrives, she sees children playing. Some are on the swings, others are playing with a ball. Lucy smiles. She feels happy. Lucy finds a nice spot under a big tree. The tree gives good shade. She sits down and takes out her book. It is a story about animals. Lucy loves animals. She reads for a while. The story is interesting. Lucy enjoys the quiet time. After reading, Lucy feels a little hungry, so she eats her sandwich. It is a cheese sandwich. She drinks some water too. Near her, a small dog runs around. The dog is very playful. It chases a butterfly. Lucy laughs. She likes to watch the dog. A woman walks by with her baby in a stroller. The baby waves at Lucy. Lucy waves back and smiles. Later, Lucy decides to go for a walk. The park has a nice path. She walks and listens to the birds. The birds sing sweet songs. Lucy sees ducks in the pond. She counts them. There are 5 ducks. 2 are swimming. 3 are resting. The sun is warm. The breeze is gentle. Lucy feels relaxed. After her walk, Lucy returns to her spot. She lies on the grass and looks at the sky. The clouds are fluffy and white. They look like cotton candy. Lucy closes her eyes for a moment. She thinks about her day. It has been nice and calm. Soon, Lucy hears her phone ring. It is her mom. Her mom says it is time to come home. Lucy gathers her things. She looks around the park one more time. She feels grateful for this beautiful day. As she walks home, she thinks about coming back to the park soon. She likes the park. It is a happy place. Lucy smiles. She had a perfect day.